Hi, my friends, and welcome back to Coppola's Destiny. I finally am doing my Kendra's Boutique unboxing as promised in my very first video posted. So, details will be in another video of the little hiccup that I went through in the ordering process, but nonetheless, I finally received the hair. Here's a pamphlet that I'm taking out of the box. All it is a Q&A for the Ultimate Barb Hair Care and products that can be used on the hair, which I go with my own products to be quite honest. And then everything a Barb needs to know. So here I'm showing Black China. As you know, she reps the company. And that card also has their bundle deals on there. And no, I'm not getting paid for this. It's just me giving you some information. That is my order details of the wig that I purchased. And inside is a bunch of pink. I want to call it confetti, but where's my hair, right? I don't see any goodies. I've watched a lot of other unboxing videos and they have some goodies in their box, but I didn't get any. Here I am digging, looking. Hello, where's the goodies? None? All right then, let's get with the video. So it comes in this little bag, which is good for storing the hair in, with Kendra's Boutique information, her website. I'm a hair barb, as you can see, very cute little pouch. So when I'm not wearing this unit, as you know, I will be storing it in its little home. And it just comes in this clear plastic with a big K for Kendra's Boutique, her logo. So here is the wig in the Lunch Lady hairnets. And it's soft. But it's a little bit too red. As you can see my face, I'm just like, ooh, I didn't think it was going to be this red. I like my hair red. As I did tell you before, my hair is always red, some form of red, like the hair that you see on my head that's not combed. Excuse it. But I wasn't going anywhere, so I could have cared less. The hair is a little thin for me, as I do like to wear my hair pretty diva-esque, but it's long as heck. It's a 28-inch. So what I got was the ready to ship fire red full lace wig in 28 inches. And here, as you can see, it has two combs in the front, on the sides I should say, on each side. And then it has a comb in the back and the adjustable straps. Now, I didn't order the small. I actually ordered a medium. And sorry for the crunching in the background, but I'm looking at this paper and it doesn't really say the size. It doesn't say the size on it. Yeah, it doesn't say the size, but I was scared because I didn't want there not to be enough stretch, so I ordered the medium. My head is small, so I should have ordered a small. And there's the ends. The ends are pretty thin, and yeah, I think I'm gonna cut the ends so that it doesn't look so straggly. I mean, the ends look healthy, but it just looks too thin. Like it's not thick from the top to the bottom. It's okay. It'll work. I can trim it. It's 28 inches. The hair has absolutely no smell, which is good. That's always a fear, that the hair is going to come smelling like corn chips or dirty feet or somebody's butthole. But it came pretty good. Yeah, one sec while I introduce my friend. Here she is. I'm such a weirdo, right? Yeah, I just told her to stay, like she's a dog. You know these wig heads, they want to do their own thing, roll over and embarrass you. Anyways, I'm just showing it on the wig head because I already have a unit on and I didn't prepare myself to really get the unit yet. So that's why it's on the mannequin head. Like, seriously, I thought it would have taken, with the hiccups that I had, I thought it would have taken a lot longer to get to me. And again, I'll explain that in another video. The baby hairs are nice. The hair is, the unit is pre-plucked. Because that's one thing I'm not good on is plucking. And that's one thing I always look for is pre-plucked. So do you see how the ends are like straggly and thin? They're not damaged, it's just too thin on the ends. And pulling and pulling and pulling, and I only got one strand. Hallelujah. Yeah, this is too red for me. It's too red. It's more like a fire. It is a fire red. I'm not gonna lie. It's a fire red, but it's more like a orangey fire red, and I like it more burgundy red. So stay tuned. Okay, now here it is. I'm gonna do the watercolor to get it to my liking. So what I use is the Joico Color Intense in Magenta. I used one, and then I used 1.5 of the red. Initially, I only used one magenta, one red, but then I thought, you know what, I don't want it as brown red, so let me add more red to it. And then there's a Joico sulfate-free color shampoo, the Joico sulfate-free conditioner. And sorry, I have them upside down, guys. It's just a habit to have the bottle upside down so that I don't have to shake out like crazy, and I forgot to turn it right side up. And then I have my smoothing, replenishing treatment that I also always add to my hair extensions. My whisk, my gloves, make sure that you put down a garbage bag to protect the surface, and a bowl. I don't have a huge bowl, I use that. So here you can see I added two. That's the magenta and the red. Should have closed my chores, huh? Oh well, such is life. Adding the hot water, adding the boiling hot water, and putting the rest to the side, guys. Now you're gonna whisk the color all together. Try not to do like I did and spill some. Now, the reason why I don't use a big bowl is because I find that it dilutes the dye too much and then I don't get an intense enough color. Like if I wanted to do a pastel, I would have got a bigger bowl, which I do have a big bowl, I do, but I just decided to use a small one so that I can get all the color in there. So here is where I'm going to do the paper towel test, just to test the color to see if it's still a little too bright or if it's too dark. If it's too dark, I would have just put some more red. And it brightens up, trust me, even though it's dark. I've been using this color for years and it never fails me. Now, as you can see, here's where I'm using a little bit more of the red. Whisk, 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 whisk. Whisk in the color. Make sure everything is all married all together. No clumps, no lumps. Like the cellulite in my legs. Now I'm gonna put this baby in here. And I hope you can see the difference in the color. Here it's going to be baptized in this water. And there's a difference already. I see the difference. I don't know if on camera you can see the difference, but I definitely do see the difference. This water is so hot, like it burnt my fingers through the gloves. So I'm just rinsing it off with some lukewarm water. And I did notice that some parts in the middle are, it still has that little orangey red. So I dipped it back into the color mix. Not too long though. I want to say this was less than 5 minutes. That's where I'm checking to see the color. I do like my red always to have dimension, which it does, but it just had a little bit too much dimension right there. So now I'm just going to get a bowl to do my deep condition. I'm not going to put it in the microwave. Normally, if I have hair for a while and it starts to act up and act silly, I will put the treatment, give it a nice microwave treatment. So I put it in a plastic bag, then I'll put it in a plastic bowl, put it in the microwave for 6 minutes and let it sit for about 10 minutes and then I rinse it off. But because the hair is new and it felt pretty good anyways, I didn't have to do this. So we're just going to rinse her off now. I did bring down the shampoo to shampoo her, but I decided not to. I just did the conditioner and the treatment. You have mail. There you go, conditioner and treatment together. And as you can see, I'm extremely, extremely, extremely generous with the amounts that I put into this thing. Because honestly, girl, when you spend these coins on these hair, you need to take care of the hair. And when I say I spend a lot of money in the products that I use, not even so much the products, because I don't really use products on my hair. I spend a lot on conditioner. Because every time I take off my units, I do deep condition them. And as you can see, I don't do this sparingly at all. When it comes out, it's buttery soft. The oldest of the oldest hairs or units, extensions, I said hairs. The oldest of the oldest extensions can be restored. Trust me. It can't be restored for a very long time. You might get some life back out of it, but not like a long, long, long life. You know what I'm saying? But you can restore old hair. Just use a lot of conditioner, a lot of treatment. So I left it on for an hour and then I rinsed it in cold water. Right on the kitchen counter is where it's gonna stay. Nothing special. And here, as you can see, I'm brushing through the hair and it's brushing through very nicely, very seamlessly. This is actually the first time I'm passing any type of tool through it. And I just got a little snag at the bottom, but I guess that's from me brushing from the top to the bottom. Right there. There you have it. Here she is. There she is. So I'm just going to let her air dry. And I will be installing this bad boy tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.